but you know what that means? Retailers. Yes, all the big retailers are, for the most part, coming this week and next week. And we're going to find out what's really going on out there just ahead of Black Friday and Cyber Monday and the holiday season, while there's a big COVID outbreak again across the United States. What is happening in the retail sector? I brought 5 of the must-see earnings charts this week on the retail side. What are they? Let's see. So our first must-see retailer now is Walmart. Yes, Walmart. It's a must-see. Now, when you're looking at this chart, they've got a great earnings track record. Just those 2 misses since our data began there in 2017. But if I didn't know better, I might think this was, say, Amazon's chart or something like that, given how good it is and the breakout in the shares. Now, they've really upped their game. They were upping their game into 2020, and now the pandemic has forced them to up their game even further. But they have a lot going on that's putting them right there neck and neck with the Amazons of the world in terms of home delivery and supermarket and all these other things. So this is definitely one everyone's going to be watching this week. Then we're going to switch over to one of the other really hot retailers, Home Depot. They too have a great earnings track record. They just have that one miss since 2017, and that was 2 quarters ago, but nobody cared, and the shares went higher because everybody's focused on the home right now. We're all doing home renovations. We're all putting in new kitchens and baths because we're home all the time and we realize how nasty they were. But how long will that continue? Can they keep this momentum into 2021, or was it just some sales pulled forward? We don't know, but we're going to find out more this week with Home Depot. Then switching over to another hot retailer also busting out here to the 5-year highs, and that's Target, or Target, as many of us like to call it. It too has a good track record. It's put together a nice string of beats over the last 2 years, and then it had that big beat last quarter as those online sales are surging. It's all about execution here, as people are going to be buying a lot online again into this holiday season with this COVID outbreak breaking out again. So, can they execute? And Target just made that deal with Ulta to get those Ulta mini shops in 100 stores. That'll bring in foot traffic for when the pandemic is over. Yeah, we still do want to go to the stores, and Target still has attractive big box stores that we like to shop in. So this is definitely one to keep an eye on this week. Then I'm going to switch over to a couple struggling retailers who may not be struggling so badly anymore. L Brands, it too has a great track record over the last 5 years. It's only had that one miss. And that looked like maybe those were the share lows after 5-year decline here. Finally, they've seemed to have hit a bottom. We had a big beat last quarter. Everything about the business seemed to be a little bit better. But again, we're going into the holiday season, and how much better is it for Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works? Bath and Body Works has really been carrying it with a lot of those soaps selling out during the pandemic, but can they, compete here with Aerie and some of the other popular lingerie brands? We will see, but it looks like the worst is over, and maybe a lot of those value buyers and investors have missed the bottom here with L Brands. But another one that you might not have missed the bottom with if you are a value investor is Macys. And this also has a great track record, just the 3 misses in the last 5 years, which is impressive given everything that's been going on with the department stores during that time period, right? But they've still managed some big beats in there, including last quarter, as again, online sales did surge, and it is about execution. Can they up their online game enough? But they too have a problem at the malls. They've been shutting stores. Have they shut enough now where that is going to be improving going forward? And what will happen to some of their flagships that have to be struggling? The San Francisco Union Square store, the downtown Chicago State Street store, and their flagship in New York City for the Macys brand, not to mention that Bloomingdale's are in a lot of the major cities as well. And foot traffic, tourism, all the rest is down in all the major cities. But this could be a vaccine play going forward, as that's all looking to turn around here in 2021. Again, is this some kind of value play here, as it hasn't really gotten the rebound that we saw with L Brands and some of the other beaten down retailers? Either way, this is going to be one to watch for what's going on with the department stores, if they're going to save themselves or not here this week on the retail side. So this is just a few of the hot and must-watch retailers that are reporting this week. There's a bunch more. I'll be covering some of the others on other Earnings All-Stars videos, and as well as on my Twitter feed. You can catch all these charts as we move along here with this hot industry over the next couple of weeks and into Black Friday. But you don't want to miss a single episode of the Earnings All-Stars in any earnings season, because I'm bringing you all the hot charts. You can subscribe at zacks.com/YouTube to get our YouTube channel, and you'll get all of the videos there, including the top stock picks of the week, which is a must-see as well. So be sure to subscribe at zacks.com/YouTube, and I'll see you again next time with some more charts.